One of the advantages enjoyed by American farmers is the multi-tiered research effort provided by state and federal governments. The USDA Agricultural Research Service's Michelle Reba discussed the work of one of those research units in her Welcome to the 24th Annual Arkansas Soil and Water Education Conference and Expo. The event was held online this year.
My research efforts are focused on water management and water availability. I use instruments that are able to measure a field integrated flux of water, carbon dioxide, and methane. These instruments are able to measure these fluxes year-round, and so provide an evaluation at a systems level and don't simply focus on the production season. We are working to answer questions regarding rotation, residue management, and winter flooding. On the water quality side, I have water quality instrumentation that contribute to statewide and nationwide networks aimed at understanding how field management impacts excess nutrients and sediment loss in runoff, while sustaining yield and limiting inputs. Lastly, my team is working to implement the first ever case study of artificially adding water back to the declining alluvial aquifer in the Arkansas Delta. We are working closely with producers, universities, and state and federal agencies to determine the utility of using managed aquifer recharge in the Arkansas Delta. Recent research from Dr. Massey is focused on irrigation automation because he believes that further refinements in irrigation water management will require advances in irrigation automation technologies. As part of this effort, he's developing a rice irrigation system called Automatic Early Cascade Irrigation Shutoff, or ACIS, that may conserve water on par with multiple inlet rice irrigation. Joe is also working with A-State researchers to further our understanding of the impact cover crops have on production. Lastly, Joe is passionate about transferring research findings to producers. One example of this is his development of the rice hog, helping agriculture with greenhouse gases, and the rice wolf, working on lowering field emissions programs in collaboration with Riceland Foods Incorporated. The purpose of these programs is to promote a voluntary single dry down event to reduce methane emissions from Arkansas rice without increasing nitrous oxide.